Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 73 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our good old mates at DeAgostini. So, if you'd like to build this along with me, this beautiful 1/6 scale car, go to their website. There's a clickable link below in the description. And you too can be building this beautiful, beautiful model. Right, let's have a quick scoot through the magazine. This is the Shelby story, the Grand Am Boss 302R. Look at it. Look at it. Beautiful, isn't it? This is driven by Tony Buffo-Monte. There you go. I probably obliterated saying his name right, but hey ho. And Kyle Gimple, leading the Grand Am Challenge at New Jersey's Motorsports Park in 2011, folks. And this is putting it all together. I always loved seeing how they do all of this work. Stunning what they do. This is what we're putting together today, the rear seat backrest. So we'll need the part we built previously, the little fold-in section with the hinge on. And we'll be joining them two together. We're going to be putting panel on the back there, giving it a cover, screwing it all together, and then you'll have your folding seat like so, ready to go. Next up, you've got the J project there, the GT40 Experimental J, tested prior to the 1966 24-hour Le Mans. Yeah, got some weird old spikes there. Got to set the old Dracula fangs, isn't it? So yeah, proper prototyping. But look at this, how different and radical it looks. Yeah, totally different concept. There's the interior there. And this was Ken Miles, deep in thought, bless him. And it was a couple of months before he sadly died. Such a shame. So that's the magazine done, folks. So we'll grab our bits and get them on the bench, and then we'll start a bit of assembly. Right, first up we've got this seat section, like so. And we're going to be putting this panel in. Can only go to one way, folks, okay? Which is like so. We'll then be using the PSO5 screws in there. And then we shall be covering this section with our velvet, okay? So I'll grab one of those. Let's put our bigger bit in. Help me on my way. I'll need the smaller one later on for the rest of the hinge. A little bit of oil. Start at the top there. Like so. And then we can work our way along there. Putting these all in. Try not to put any pressure on the pegs that are protruding as well. These. Because you don't want to break them off, folks, okay? Just remember that if you're leant on your bench at a jaunty angle, because you might pop one of them off, and you could probably repair it with a piece of brass rod, but it just wouldn't look the same, would it? Let's grab that in there. And that leaves me with one more screw. Like so. And then I'll go along and I'll just check they're all tight before I put the sticker on. Because you don't want it clicking as you move the seat, because yeah, luckily I did check because that one was a little bit loose. So that's what you'll have. Okay. So we can now put our sticker on the back there. Same process as before. Use your little lug there to try and peel it off. If you don't manage to get it to peel straight away, do what I do, and I just drop the scalpel blade just to lift it away from the backing paper, like so. Okay, that'll help you on your way. And then I'll do a quick measure. Just a tootsie-wootsy bit from the edge, and that's the top of the seat. So that's the edge I want to be the most accurate with the frame. Same as what we've done before. Lay it down, let it find its way in, like that. And I'm just keeping it true to that edge of that frame as much as I can. Bing, like that. Bosh, done. And that is on there. Quickly give that a brush. And that's ready. Right, let's change my screwdriver bit. And then I can get a couple of these PS21s on the go. If I get one with a bit of oil on it. And I'll use that to cut these screw holes with. So we've got 1, 2, 3 there. Same as what I did before, folks. I'm going to pinch it together so that as I cut it, it doesn't pull apart. And then I can rest a finger on that frame then. And that's now cut that thread. Just makes it easier when you attach your hinge, folks. Same again, in the middle. Couple of turns into the chrome. And then I want to pinch. Stop this popping up as it goes in, because I want to cut into the black plastic as well, because it's that pulls all the chrome and hinge tight. Otherwise you'll end up splaying it apart. Just makes it easier. Spin it that way round then, and then do the same on this last one. Couple of turns into the chrome, pinch, and then fire it straight in. And then that oil just lets that cut through that plastic really nicely. Level our screw up, and then we can bring in the rest of this now and start getting that together. It's telling me I want to go that way round, so that's the way round we want to go. That's what it's telling me, that's what I'm going to do. You've got a couple of pegs there that go in and locate, and then we're going right in where my thumb is. I'm going to cut the turns, and I'm going to quickly put a dab of oil on that now, and then send it in, just like that. Pre-cutting that thread has made that go so much more smoothly. Now that that's in, I can now go back to oiling the screw the normal way. Think. Working my way into that corner there. Just like that. Give it a press and give it a pinch. Like that. Take any excess oil off. That leaves me one more to do. Just like so. Pop. And that will leave me this piece. Just there. Spin it around because I don't want to put any pressure on them lugs. Ease and squeeze. Giving that a pinch as I do it. Perfect. Don't be tempted to over tighten. And go around and get any oil stains off. I can go over this with a bit of rubbing alcohol. But that's what you're after, folks. You're after that shape at the end of this issue. Okay? because when the seat's up it sits like so, and then obviously this all folds down to give you the boot space. Okay, and that's what we want at the end of this issue. So folks, if you would like this for yourself, follow this link. There's a clickable version below in the description. Head over to the DeAgostini website, take out a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful 1/6 scale Mustang. Remember to help me out and help me grow my channel. Give little Fester a click and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It really helps me grow. Also, to be notified of future content, ring the bell just below the bottom there. Select all. You'll get notified of all these videos that go up, as well as all the scale modelling content and all of the other stuff I do. So, thank you so much for coming in and joining me and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.